Executive Member in charge of Development, Powell Sohkhlet, has clarified that former MDCs are well aware of the guidelines governing the tied and untied schemes implemented by the MDCs. His statement came in response to a supplementary question raised by Nongshken MDC Grace Mary Kharpuri of the NPP, who sought clarification on the 60-40% allocation of tied and untied grants. Following Powell Sohkhlet's response, Grace Mary Kharpuri reiterated that she was well aware of the 60-40% division but wanted to ensure that the executive member was also fully informed about the matter. Powell Sohkhlet explained that the scheme guidelines were introduced in the 2021-22 financial year. Under this framework, 60% of the tied grant is allocated for essential services like drinking water and sanitation facilities, while the untied grant covers projects such as community halls, footpaths and other rural development initiatives. He also mentioned that delays in implementing these schemes were due to difficulties in fulfilling requirements on the government portal set up by the central government. The supplementary question from Grace Mary Kharpuri stemmed from an inquiry by Motion Road MDC Starli Rashir regarding the implementation of the 15th Finance Commission schemes. The matter was discussed during the final session of the Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council (KHADC). Powell Sohkhlet further informed the House that only the initial installment of the 2021-22 tied grant had been released so far.
Satu puluh bersama bukan kawasan Raja Kuwait Papua antara dalam satu berpula antara lain berpula
Tambah untied dulu. Kita pakai first installment juga tied dulu lah ada ban sanction. The first installment juga untied dulu lah ada ban sanction. Dan dia minta ke second installment jom kata scheme bab ke untied. Ini aku abang nanti balik bakal akan reflect hak dan juga jumpa aku jom creation work.
Jadi 60% work in there, 40% kita kira. Yang kita katakan ini kita coba mungkin dengan asasnya benar-benar kalau membuat ini katakan kalau sampai sistem solar yang kedua kita ngomong para layout yang final work pada terlalu straight. Let's say kalau terkenal kita sering betul. Tenang pula kita bisa ke Amerika. Betul betul juga mesti upacara tempat. Betul tempat mungkin dari sistem. Gila kalau kita dari kadang bagus mana dari segi.
Kurang penting juga ke apps kepada hak dan upload kakak dia nak tak ada let's say kadang dari Islam tengah kerpas yang lalu kata apps dan perikam lalu kata apps dan perikam banyak dan perikam no kita ketika dikeli
ketika apps yang kita menghubungi dengan industri dan dapat technical problem mana dengan besar dia ada di mana ini yang para sentra bukan tentang jika belum menunjukkan lagi